Hello students, in this class of ours we are going to study BPT, Basic Proportionality Theorem. Another name of the theorem is Thayer's theorem, and this is the first theorem in 6th chapter, that is a similar triangle in mathematics of class 10th. So right at outset, let me read out the statement of this for you. The statement of the BPT or Thayer's theorem is Basic Proportionality Theorem and Thayer's theorem, same name of the different names of the same theorem. And the statement of the theorem goes like this, that in a triangle, let us say ABC, if a line is drawn parallel to one of its sides, intersecting the other two sides at two distinct points, then that line will divide those two sides in the same ratio. See, ABC is a triangle, DE is a line drawn parallel to BC, which is one of the sides of a triangle ABC, and it intersects other two sides, that is AB and AC at two distinct points D and E. Then what we need to prove is that line DE will divide AB and AC in the same ratio, which means only this, that we need to prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is what we have to prove. So for proving this, a very simple result, you can join these 2 points BE and CD. Also, let us draw a perpendicular here onto AD from E, let us say it is EF, another perpendicular on AE, and let us say that is DG. Now if I want to find out the area of triangle ADE, ADE with base AD, then for base AD, EF is the height or perpendicular. So that will be equal to half into AD into EF. Area of triangle is half into base into height. So a triangle is ADE, base here is AD, and for AD base in triangle ADE, EF is the height. So I have written half into base into height, that is the area of triangle AD. Once again I will find out area of triangle ADE. This time I will take AE as base. So if I take AE as base of triangle ADE, then undoubtedly DG is the height. So the area of triangle will come out to be half into AE into DG. Now also I will try to find out area of these two triangles BED. Let me say area of triangle BED, and that will be equal to half into, let me write it here, half into BD I have taken base, but this is an obtuse angled triangle, and height of triangle BED for base BD is EF. For an obtuse angled triangle, for a particular base, in this case it is BD, altitude lies outside the triangle. So EF is the altitude. So I can write area of triangle BED as half into BD. If BD is base, then EF is the height. So I will write here EF. Similarly, I will also find out area of this triangle, that is DEC. Area of triangle DEC. For this I will take half into, see, base I will take EC, and for, once again it is obtuse angle triangle, and for this triangle DEC, for its base EC, altitude lies outside triangle, and that is DG. So I will write half into EC into DG. This is area of this, and this is area of this, and these two triangles you can see here. See, triangle BED and triangle DEC are on the same base DE. Please do remember, they are on the same base and between same parallel lines DE and BC. Triangle BED and triangle DEC and BED are on the same base DE and between same parallel lines D and BC. Therefore their areas are equal. And why they are equal? Because area of triangle is half into base into height. And when you say that both the triangles are on the same base, that means their bases are same, base is same. And also you say they are situated between the same parallel lines, which means that their altitudes are also same. So area of triangle is half into base into height. Bases are same, heights are same. So area has to be same. So area of this triangle and this triangle are equal. Now this, I don't have enough space to write this, and there is no need for me to write this. I will simply write here now, if I want to find out area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BED. See, this from here and that from there, so it will become half into AD into EF and divided by half into BD into EF. You can see it, area of BD is half into BD into EF and area of AD is half into AD into EF. These two are cancelled, AD upon BD. Let us say this is equation 1. Now again if I write area of triangle ADE, that is this triangle, this time I will write half into AE into DG. Also I will write divided by area of triangle DEC, and this time it will be half into EC into DG. This will get cancelled, this will also get cancelled, and see, this is area of triangle ADE, this is also area of triangle AD. Also we know that area of BED, triangle BED, is equal to area of triangle DEC. And why they are equal? Because these are the two triangles which are on the same base and between same parallel lines. That means their base is same and their heights are also same. So their area is bound to be same, because area's formula is half into base into height. So that way we can say that this expression is equal to this expression. So this is equation 2, and for equation 1 and 2 the left hand sides are equal, so their right hand sides are also bound to be equal. So you can definitely write from 1 and 2 AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. So that is what the result we were supposed to prove, and we have done it. See the statement of this, let me sum it up. The statement of the basic proportionality theorem or Thayer's theorem was like this, that in a triangle if a line is drawn, let us say BC is the triangle, in triangle ABC, DE is a line drawn parallel to BC, then DE means AB at D and AE at AC at E. Then this DE will divide AB and AC in the same ratio, which means AD upon DB must be equal to AE upon EC. So that was the required result.